Technology integration. One framework that's involved is technology integration planning, also known as TIP. And it is the use of technology tools in general content areas in education in order to allow students to apply computer and technology skills to learning and problem solving. For successful technology integration, there are 4 keys to succeed: pedagogy first, technology second. Then you should honor the 1 per quarter rule and do not pressure yourself as a teacher, nor pressure your students to master several apps or websites simultaneously, as this will just be overwhelming. Invite and observe with staff members, which will allow you a great way to learn best practices and also get more ideas. Avoid the wheel of apps, which means alluring as it seems. Be cautious of the resources that places an app or website into a single category. Another framework is the SAMR model, and it has a definition. Substitute. Substitution stands for the S, is the technology acts as a direct tool that substitutes with no functional change. The A, augmentation, is text to still substitute but provides more functionality as students work to complete the same task. M, for modification, technology is used and there's instant feedback. R, redefinition, being able to design and create new tasks, connecting to a classroom across the world, and being able to use Google Docs. The SAMR model is the lens for viewing technology and integration in the classroom, and it is a model that's designed to help educators infuse technology into teaching and learning while supporting and enabling teachers to design, develop, and infuse digital learning experiences while utilizing technology. The goal of the SAMR model is to enhance learning experience, which results in higher levels of achievements for students. LOTI framework is abbreviated for the Levels of Technology Implementation, which has been transformed into Levels of Teaching Innovation. The LOTI framework was initially developed in '94 as a conceptual model to articulate specific stages of technology implementation in the classroom, and it has become synonymous with 21st century learning. There are different levels, 0 through 6, that correlates with the levels of technology implementation, such as level 0, which is non-use. And there's a perceived lack of access to technology-based tools and instructional focus, which can range anywhere from a traditional direct instruction approach to collaborate student-centered learning environment. Level 1, awareness. Instructional focus emphasizes information dissemination to students and supports lecture discussion approach to teaching. Level 2, exploration, is an instructional focus that emphasizes content understanding and supports mastery learning and direct instruction. Level 3, infusion, is an instructional focus emphasizing student higher order thinking and engaging learning. Level 4 has 2 parts, A and B, mechanical and routine, and students are engaged in exploring real-world issues and solving authentic problems while using digital tools and resources. Level 5, expansion. Collaborations extend beyond the classroom, are employed for authentic student problem solving and issue resolutions. Level 6, refinement. Collaborations extend beyond the classroom that promotes authentic student problem solving and issue resolutions, an instructional curriculum that is entirely learner-based. TIM, Technology Integration Matrix. It provides a framework for describing and targeting the use of technology to enhance learning. It incorporates 5 interdependent characteristics of meaningful learning environments, such as active, collaborative, constructive, authentic, and goal-directed. These characteristics are also associated with 5 levels of technology integration: entry, adoption, adaptation, infusion, and transformation. And together, the 5 characteristics of each meaningful learning environment and 5 levels of technology integration create a matrix of 25 cells. TPAC, which is an acronym for Technological, Pedagogical, Content, and Knowledge. It's an approach for what teachers know, how they teach, and how technology is used to better impact student learning. Content knowledge, also known as CK, is what content is taught made up of facts, concepts, and theories of any discipline. Pedagogical knowledge, PK, is how the art of teaching, including assessments, instructional strategies, and teaching methods. Pedagogical content knowledge, PCK, is the intersection of pedagogical and content knowledge, the knowledge you have to engage students in concept and skills, which allows the teacher to scaffold and is known as teaching at its best. Technological knowledge, TK, was introduced to 21st century teaching. It represents your knowledge about the tools to select, use, and integrate technology into curriculum.